Hey guys, for the first time today, we're gonna do a Pear Deck, which is kind of like the Nearpod we did, but I think honestly works a little bit better. So when you log in, you're gonna see this screen up on the board, up on my screen, so you can log in. So when you do that, you open up your tab and you do join PD. I'm also gonna put in the link. You can just click on the link. That should work as well. QRR. Yes. Okay. So then when you log in, you'll basically have the same screen that I have. And the cool thing is everything that you type and everything that you do on here um, will be saved onto your slide. You should be able to type on the video slides, I'm hoping. But whatever slide I go to, it'll kind of bring you along. When the videos play, I think you have to watch my screen, so you might want to have both ready. So I think the videos play on my screen. But whatever thing you happen to write, there's a text box you can type, you can draw. Okay, so now whatever you type on there, when I finish the lesson, will be saved. So if I end that, um, and then when it's done, there's a link called the takeaway. So I'm going to post this takeaway on Classroom. And then what would happen is you would go to that link. I guess it was on the teacher. When you click on that link, it will automatically generate a file that looks kind of like this. If it'll open. Okay, and then so what you're gonna do is in the summary, you just kind of tell me what you think that you learned. It's literally like a sentence, just a 1-2 sentence quick summary. Hey, this is what I learned. And then the cool thing is everything will be right on this slide here. So all the videos that I posted, there's going to be links there to the original videos and any notes that you took. I'm trying to think of the slide that I wrote on. Will be built right onto there. So anything that you type on there, all that stuff will be right there. The only trick to this is to turn it in. I'm the owner because I'm the teacher. So you go to File and then just make a copy. And then once you make a copy, you're going to turn in that copy as your work. Okay. So that's just a quick tutorial. Hopefully that'll help a little bit, just getting you guys used to how it works. And I think you guys will end up liking it. It's a pretty cool app. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.